Right, a very warm welcome to this video, and in this video we will try to understand what is the best way to learn Angular 2 in a fast way, in an easy way, and to the point, right? First thing, if you want to learn any new technology, the best way is to do a project. If you do a project, you learn to the point, you do not learn too many unnecessary things, right? So what I've done is, so here is a very simple project I have. This is a very simple customer management screen project. So what I did is I'm using Angular 2, I'm using TypeScript, I'm using Visual Studio 2015, and I've created this project, right? So if you see here in this project, it's a very simple customer screen over here, and so you can select a type of customer. So you can have either a lead type of a customer or a customer. You can give the name of the customer here, you can give the code of the customer, you can give the amount, and you can say add customer. So you can keep on adding customers. So you can go and say, okay, test and code, right? And this and add. Also, if you want, you can go and select a customer and you can update his details, right? So I have a very simple customer screen here, and this customer screen is made using Angular 2. It is made using Visual Studio 2015 and using TypeScript. So let me go and explain you this code, and let me explain you that what are the prerequisites you need to learn Angular 2. So let me go ahead here to the source code, and let me create a roadmap.txt file here. So I'm going to go and I will add a new item here, a simple text file. And in this, we will just go through that. What do we need to start, for Angular 2? So I'm going to go and add a simple text file. I will name this text file as syllabus.txt. Okay, so this is the syllabus which you can follow, right? So first thing, I think, if you look at Angular 2, it uses lots of other open sources, right? So it uses shim.js, it uses zone.js, it uses TypeScript, it uses Node, and so on, right? So if you go to my source code here, if you open up this master.html, right, if you go through it, you will find that there are lots of other open sources like Reflect.js, System.js, Zone.js, right? So I think the first thing, there are some prerequisite, which you should learn, right? So let me write down here prerequisite. So first is learn TypeScript. Okay, it's very important because the complete Angular 2 is made in TypeScript, right? So for TypeScript, what I've done is I've created this 1 hour video, which I'm going to go and paste here. You can go through this video and learn TypeScript. So that is first step, right? Second, we also need to learn some other JavaScript frameworks, which Angular uses. First one is shim.js, then zone.js, then metadata.js, right? Require.js, the loader, right? So I think, and also like Node, right? So that we can do npm. So I think, in the prerequisite, I feel that you should know TypeScript, you should know these 5 frameworks, right? So please go ahead and see this video of TypeScript. In case you want the other videos of JavaScript, right, to learn the prerequisite, what you can do is you can share this video somewhere on your Facebook or on your Twitter, and send me a mail at questpond@questpond.com. So when you share this video anywhere on Facebook, on Twitter, send me a mail here, and I will send you the top 5 videos which explains shim.js, which explains zone.js, which explains metadata.js, require.js, and node.js. So I think this is the prerequisite first to start with. So before even you go and you start learning Angular 2, you need to do TypeScript, you need to do shim.js, you need to do zone.js, metadata.js, and require.js, right? And remember that you need VS 2015, right? So because I'm coming from a Microsoft background, so Visual Studio is my tool, my IDE, right? So you need Visual Studio 2015. If you're using 2013, you will have a lot of problems. So I would suggest that if you're saying, okay, I want to use Angular 2, I want to use require.js, I want to do TypeScript, then Visual Studio 2013 does not have those features in a very proper way. And second, even if it has it, even if they have it, it has a lot of defects. So I feel Visual Studio 2015 Community Edition is also needed. So once you have done the prerequisite, right, the next step is to go ahead and start doing a simple hello world in Angular, right? So what I've done is, for that I have created a 1-hour video. So what I would suggest is, the next step is you can take this as lab 1, and in this lab 1 I'm putting the YouTube link here. In this lab 1 I've explained the basic concepts of Angular. So basic concepts like what is a module, and then what is a component, what are these bindings, what are expressions, what is a square bracket, what are round brackets, and so on. So basically go through this complete 1-hour video, wherein I've explained all of these concepts, right? So first thing is get introduced to the concept of module and components, right? Then the next step is, the next thing what you should start with is, you should try to understand the different ways of bindings, like the square bracket, the interpolation, right, expressions, the star sign, and so on. So basically the next lab, what I would suggest is to go and look into bindings. After that, I would suggest to start with factory, providers, and services. So Angular 2 gives you a lot of support for dependency injection. It makes your project much flexible, because it has all these things like providers and services which help you to do dependency injection, right? Lab 4, I will say, okay, understand routing, right? So routing helps you to create single page applications. They help you to make your navigations without postbacks and so on. So go ahead and look into routing, and look into parent routing and child routing. So basically both of these concepts will help you to understand routing. Then in lab 5, look into input and output metadata, right? So I think if you're talking about creating reusable UI controls in Angular, then both of these concepts are important. Lab 6, I will suggest to go and have understanding of Angular component lifecycle, right? So there are various events which Angular fires, where you can go and hook up your code. So it provides a lot of hookup points. So if you understand the component lifecycle in a better way, then you can go and hook up your own code. And lab 7, I would suggest to go and understand Angular forms. Now Angular 2 is a big topic, right? But I feel that at least if you do these 7 things right, you are still doing 70% part of Angular. So here is my roadmap to you. First is, go and understand these prerequisites, right? Ensure you have VS 2015 Community Edition, and then go ahead and start with these concepts first, right? So in this project, if you see, I have implemented all of these concepts. So for example, if you see here, look at my project structure, okay? If you see in my project structure, I have different folders here. I have a binder folder, I have a model folder, I have a service folder, and I have a UI folder. So all my user interfaces, like my customer screen, my grid, etc., right, is everything into this UI folder, right? All my models, right, my business logic, that is my customer class or my accounts class or everything, right, they all go into the model folder. So you can see here in my customer file, I have the customer class and the lead class. And can you see these syntaxes? This is all TypeScript. It is all written in .ts file. So they compile to JavaScript at the background, right? Now remember that Angular is a binding framework. So it connects my customer HTML with the customer model, and that is done by using my binder. So in this binder folder, I have all that glue code which connects my user interface and the model. So in this, you can see that we have the components, right? We have created, and we have the models. So the components and the models, they help you to go and connect the user interface and the model, right? Also, if you see, I have a separate folder here called as service, right? And in the service folder, I have some dependency injection things which I am doing. So all my services which are common functionalities like singleton objects, or if I'm doing any kind of factory classes, my utility classes, so they are all into this and they get injected during the application is running, right? Also, if you see here, I also have this simple user component here called as grid, and this grid component is created by using the inputs and outputs. So if you see, my reusable user component is created by inputs and outputs, and then I also have routing implemented here, right? So basically, this complete project, I've tried to use all of these 7 concepts. So go ahead, download this project. You don't need any database, nothing. It is a complete in-memory thing. Go through the videos, what I have mentioned above, and give yourself a week, and I'm sure that you can do Angular 2 in a better way, right? So go ahead, install VS 2015, install Node, do TypeScript, do all those prerequisite, do those 7 labs, download this project, and I'm sure that you should be ready with Angular, and you can work on a serious project as well, right? And in case you want to learn directly from me, then you can go to questpoint.com, where I have learning tutorials of Angular 2. And if you want to learn from me personally, then you have to come to Mumbai, and I teach Angular every Saturday and Sunday in Andheri, Mumbai. So in case you are interested, here are my connect points, where you can learn from me. Thank you so much. So get ready for Angular 2 and best of luck. Thank you.